Assalamu alaikum, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Is I'm audible to you people? Yes, sir. This is a doubt clarification session. Those who have any doubts, they can post the doubts. I'll clarify it in morphology. In morphology, we have started this week. This week, what are the portion we have completed in that? You can ask if you have any doubts. One by one, I'll take. Sir, we are having plant kingdom also. Yes, plant kingdom 50% as well as morphology 50%. That means 22 questions will come. 22 will come from plant kingdom and 22 questions will come from 23 questions will come from morphology. Roseate leaf, trough of this. Okay. Observe here. This is a highly condensed stem. This is highly condensed stem. On this, leaf will emerge from nodes. Nodes are so near to one another. So all the leaves, this is one leaf, this is another leaf, this is another leaf, now another leaf. Many leaves are emerging from highly condensed stem. So it is giving a look of rose flower. That's why it is called as roseate of leaf. So all the leaves are near to one another. That's why this gives an appearance of a rose flower. That is called as roseate of leaf. And all the roots are also coming from one common small stem. That's why these roots are called as trough of root. That is bunch of roots. So this is a roseate of leaf and trough of roots. Okay, is it clear? 805. This was the question which was there from the beginning. Roseate of leaf. All the leaves are clustered together from one highly condensed stem. That is called as roseate leaf. Okay. Sir, inflorescence, we have to learn it from NCERT or Telugu Academy for tomorrow's exam. Don't learn inflorescence. Inflorescence questions will not come. Don't learn inflorescence. Inflorescence questions will not come from tomorrow's exam. But for in future classes, in future morphology, better you learn from NCERT. But for board examination, you have to learn it from Telugu Academy. For board exam, you have to learn it from Telugu Academy. Yes, complete chapter of plant kingdom, you have to learn it. Okay. Now, phyllodes, in which plant will take place? I mean, example, Acacia melanoxylon, botanical name. Acacia melanoxylon, botanical name. Acacia melanoxylon, common name. Australian acacia, Australian acacia, Australian acacia, common name. Botanical name, Acacia melanoxylon, Acacia melanoxylon. Yes, still modification of leaves. Yes, we have to, we can go, you can go up to modification of leaf. Leaf I have taken it. Leaf I have taken. Sir, please explain still truth. Okay. In sorghum, that is jawar. In sugar cane, observe, this is a one sugar cane plant, and it is having, it is a monocot, will have a fibrous roots, and it will have nodes and internodes, and it will have leaves. Okay, this is a sugar cane. Okay, this is one node which is upper one. This is another node, that is middle one. This is another node, that is lower one. This is lower node. This lower node will produce some roots, that roots are supporting root. These roots are also supporting. Here, what is the supporting root? Supporting root, we have two types. One is prop root and another one is stilt root. Prop root can come from any branches, whereas stilt root will arise from only lower branches. Lower branches is stilt root. Stilt root, it arises only from lower nodes. It arises only from lower node. It is just to give support. The plant should not fall on either side, on any side. For that purpose, stilt roots are present. In sugarcane, in sorghum, this stilt root is observed. Phyllodes, I gave an example, no way. What are the examples of phyllodes? Acacia, melanoak, xylon. I gave. Okay. Basipetal. What, sir, basipetal means? In cymose inflorescence it will come. I have not started, but anyhow, observe here. This is peduncle. See the size which I am drawing. As I am coming downwards, the size of the flower I am increasing. So, younger flowers, young flowers are at the top and old flowers at the bottom. Younger flower at the top and old flowers at the bottom. This is called as acropetal arrangement. This is called as acropetal arrangement. This is called as acropetal arrangement. Opposite to that, in some inflorescence, especially cymose inflorescence, observe here. Older flowers are at the top and younger flower at the base. That is called as basipetal arrangement. This arrangement is called as basipetal. This arrangement is called as basipetal arrangement. Sir, please explain leaf blade. Leaf will have three parts. The lowermost part is leaf base. Stalk of leaf is called as petiole. Stalk of leaf is called as petiole. And expanded part of the leaf is called as leaf lamina or leaf blade, or it is called as leaf blade. Sir, how pinnately compound leaf differ from palmately compound leaf? Now, here, this is a midrib. On this, this is one leaflet. This is another leaflet. This is another leaflet, another leaflet. Curry leaves, karyapak. These are pinnately compound leaf. These are pinnately compound leaf. So all the leaflets that are arising will not be from common point. All the leaflets that will be arising will not be from common point. But in case of palmate leaf, this is petiole, and many leaflets will arise from common point. Many leaflets will arise from common point. This type of leaf is called as palmate leaf. This type of leaf is called as palmate leaf. Is it clear to you, dear? 9085, I think. 6805. Sir, what are internodes? The part of a stem between the two nodes. This is one node, this is another node. The part of a stem between the two nodes is internode, part of the stem between the two node is called as internode. This is one node and another node. Between the node, what part is there? That is called as internode. Sir, modification of fruit. मेरी old recorded class है वो देखिए, recorded class है, modification of fruit, root modification. Any other doubts? Just ask me the doubts. No one is asking any doubt. Nobody is having any doubt. Leaf blade I have explained. 7795. If leaf blade is cleared, is your doubt is cleared? Assalamu alaikum. Sorry, student. Some technical issue was there. Because of that, I was forced to leave the class, and then I'm back again. Sir, racemose inflorescence. One, what is axillary bud? Now, this is a stem. Many a time I have said this is a stem. Will have nodes and internodes. These are nodes. This is another node. This is another node. Okay, these are the nodes. On the node, what is produced is leaf. This is a leaf. And this is another leaf. Now, the angle present are made because of the joining of leaf and the stem. This angle is called as axil. In this axil, one bud will be present. That is called as axillary bud. That is called as axillary bud. Okay. Next, axillary buds. Now, racemose inflorescence. A inflorescence in which peduncle keeps on growing. The tip of a peduncle will not transform into root. The tip of a peduncle will not transform into root. That type of inflorescence is called as a racemose inflorescence. That type of inflorescence is called as racemose inflorescence. There are many different types of racemose inflorescence are there. Vegetative propagation, mode of reproduction in which gametes are not involved, gametes are not formed, vegetative part is involved, or vegetative part of the plant is involved. That type of reproduction is called as vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation. Leaf blade means, already I have explained leaf blade, pointed leaf. The leaf which will have the apex which is pointed, that is called as pointed leaf. Excuse me, sir, please explain this part. Vegetative propagation, a propagation by means of vegetative part. That is called as vegetative propagation. That is called as vegetative propagation. Yes, A, the word is not clear. Whether A or only sexual. Write the question properly. Asexual reproduction in plant when mother plant cuts off. Asexual. If you are writing asexual, that means the meaning will become different. If you are writing asexual, the meaning is different. Asexual. This two meaning is cutting off of mother plant and growing into a new plant where formation of gametes are not there, where flower is not involved, where pollen grain is not involved, where sperm is not involved, where egg is not involved. That type of reproduction is called as asexual reproduction. That type of reproduction is called as asexual reproduction. Sir, explain alternation of generation. twice I have explained. Again, another time I'll explain. Now you have to answer the questions, boy or a girl? Girl. You have to answer the questions now. Alternation of generation. 4752. Now, the question is from you. Question is for you. 4752. What plant it is? What plant it is? What plant it is? जल्दी बताइए. प्लांट का नाम क्या है? 4752. What plant it is? कौन सा plant है? I will not proceed unless and until you don't answer it. What is the name of a plant? अरे भाई क्वेश्चन पूछ के खामोश रह जाते क्या? Answer my question. Unless and until you don't answer, don't know, sir. Very good. It is bryophyte. Very good. You said very clearly, I don't know. Bryophyte. Now, it is a bryophyte. Plant name is Markentia. The plant name is Markentia. Now, this plant is gametophyte. This plant is gametophyte. This plant is gametophyte. Why it is gametophyte? Because it is going to produce male gamete as well as it is going to produce female gamete. What is a male gamete? Antherozoid. Antherozoid. What is the female gamete? Egg cell. Okay. This is gametophyte. Why it is gametophyte? Because this plant is producing male as well as female gamete. Male and female gamete. These two gametes fuse together form zygote. These two gametes fuse together form zygote. What will happen to zygote? Zygote develops into sporophyte. Zygote develop into sporophyte. A sporophyte will have foot, seta and capsule. Foot, seta and capsule. Now, from this sporophytes, spores are produced. These spores grow into a new gametophyte. See here, gametophyte gives sporophyte, sporophyte gives gametophyte. Gametophyte gives sporophyte, sporophyte gives gametophyte. There is no chance that gametophyte gives new gametophyte. Gametophyte always gives sporophyte whenever it goes for sexual reproduction. And there is no chance that sporophyte gives a new sporophyte. Sporophyte always give to gametophyte. So this is called as alternation of generation. This is called as alternation of generation. Nematophore, nematophore, respiratory roots in mangrove vegetation. In mangrove vegetation, in plants, those which leaves in swampy areas, there are roots that grows upward instead of growing downwards. These roots grows upward and these roots are meant for respiration. These roots are meant for respiration. They will have small pores that are called as nematodes. Nematodes. Small pores are present that are called as nematodes. That's why these roots are called as nematophores. These roots are called as nematophores. Is 4752 is, I have cleared your doubt. Gametophyte, sporophyte, sporophyte, again gametophyte, gametophyte, sporophyte, sporophyte say gametophyte. Any other doubts? What is the portion for tomorrow's exam? 50%, 50% plant kingdom and 50% morphology. 50% plant kingdom and 50% morphology. This is the portion for tomorrow's exam. Any other doubts? Should we wind up? If you don't have doubts, all girls are saying Jazakallah khair. That means wind up. Should we wind up? Sir, plant kingdom 50% till which topic? Plant kingdom पूरा chapter हो गया है ना भाई? पूरा chapter हो गया है ना? पूरा chapter में से कहीं ना कहीं 22 questions will come. How leaf modification helps the plant? Leaf modification, vayaka. Leaf modification helps the plant to have additional character. Whatever the characters a plant will have, leaf is meant for what? Leaf is meant for photosynthesis. Now, when it becomes tendril, it helps for climbing. Whenever it has converted or whenever it has modified into spine, it helps in production. So, leaf modification, whatever the modification is there, according to that, leaf will help the plant. Sir, peduncle is only flowers. It is not a stem. It is a stalk of inflorescence is peduncle. Stalk of inflorescence is peduncle. Sir, explain. Nematophore. Small pores present in Tophores is nematodes. Respiratory roots are called as nematophores. Respiratory roots are called as nematophores. Sir, no debate. We shall wind up. Okay. Okay, we'll wind up. Charminar group. Jazakallah, sir. Vayaka. Vayaka. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Morphology is up to leaf modification. Morphology is up to leaf modification. Okay.